Good morning, children. Today's date is 10th of August and the year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday, and in our literacy class we will be learning rhyming words from the poem Hey Diddle Diddle. Okay, so let's recite the poem. Here goes the rhyme. Hey diddle diddle. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. So you can see the cat here, and the cat is holding the fiddle. The fiddle is a violin. Yes, it's another name for a violin. So the cat and the fiddle, the violin. The cow jumped over the moon. You can see the cow. He is jumping over the moon. Yes, from up. He's jumping up over the moon. And after seeing this scene, what is happening? The little dog laughed. You can see the little dog laughing to see such fun. Yes, it was such a funny sight to see a cow jumping over the moon. So the dog was laughing. And what happened at the end? And the dish ran away with the spoon. So you can see the dish holding hands with the spoon, and they ran away. They are running away. Yes, so that's the meaning of this rhyme. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. It will be wonderful if you learn this rhyme, yes? If you memorize this rhyme. It's a small rhyme, yes, a short rhyme. You can easily learn it. Okay, so let's sing it. Because I had to explain to you the meaning of each line. Now let's sing it. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Yes, let's sing it once again. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Yes, so that's the rhyme. Now we are going to find out rhyming words in this rhyme. Okay, so let's take one line at a time. Yes. Hey diddle diddle. So this is repetition of the same word. Diddle diddle. Yes. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. Yes. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. So can you make out some rhyming words here? Yes, the first set of rhyming words in this rhyme. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. So the words diddle and fiddle, they rhyme. Yes, diddle, fiddle. Fiddle is a violin, as you can see here. The cat and the fiddle, he's playing the violin. So the words diddle and fiddle rhyme. Yes, because the ending sound of both the words, iddle, iddle, is the same. Yes, it ends with the sound iddle. Okay, so that was the first set of rhyming words. Now let's see what more we have. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun. Do you see some rhyming words here? Can you hear some rhyming words here? No? So let's go to the next line. And the dish ran away with the spoon. Yes, something is rhyming. So let's do that two lines, okay? The cow jumped over the moon and the dish ran away with the spoon. Yes, something rhyming? The cow jumped over the moon and the dish ran away with the spoon. Yes, some rhyming word there. Moon, spoon. Yes, they are again rhyming words because they end with the same sound. Oon, spoon. Yes, they end with the sound oon at the end. Moon, spoon. There's a second set of rhyming words in this rhyme. So we had two set of rhyming words. Diddle, fiddle, number 1. And number 2, moon, spoon. Children, now let's look for some more words that rhyme with the words that we just found in the rhyme. Hey, diddle, diddle. Yes, so the first set of rhyme was diddle, fiddle. Yes, you can see here, only the beginning sound is changing. D-iddle, f-iddle. Yes, fiddle is a violin. It's another name for the violin. Then iddle, middle. Then we have another word, iddle, riddle. Riddle is a short question. Yes, where you just give a hint. Griddle. Now griddle again is a vessel, it's a utensil. It's a heavy iron pan that is used for cooking. Yes, it's used for grilling basically. So it's called a griddle. Yes, so let's have a look at these words again. Diddle, fiddle, middle, riddle, griddle. Yes, these are all rhyming with the words diddle. Yes, why? Because the ending sound of each of these words is the same. You see, I have highlighted that in pink. Iddle, iddle, iddle. Yes, all ends with the same sound, iddle. You can see here, only the beginning sound is changing. Yes, ending remains the same and hence they are rhyming words. Okay, let's have a look at the next set of rhyming words that was there in the rhyme. We had spoon, spoon, moon. Then I have some more. Boon. Boon is a blessing. Yes, another word for blessing is boon. Noon. Noon means afternoon. Yes, it's a short form of saying afternoon. You can say noon. Yes, after 12 o'clock, it is noon time in the morning. Yes, then we have soon. Soon means to come fast, yeah, to come early. Soon. We say it, come back home soon. Matlab jaldi aa jao. Yes, that's the meaning of soon. So all these words, spoon, moon, boon, noon, soon. You can see they are all ending with the same sound. Oon. I have highlighted for you in red. Oon. Yes, ending sound of all these words are same. And what is happening? Only the beginning sound is changing. Spoon, oon, 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 oon. Yes, only the beginning sound is changing. So all are rhyming words. So we found a few more rhyming words. Yes, with the set of rhyming words that we just found. So this was rhyming words from the rhyme Hey Diddle Diddle. Now coming to the homework sheet. So this is a lovely sequencing sheet based on the rhyme Hey Diddle Diddle. So I want you to take a printout of the sheet or you can copy the sheet. Yes. And the first thing you will do after taking a printout or copying this sheet entirely is you're going to cut it. Yes, you can see the dotted lines. So you have to cut this part. You have to cut each picture. So there are 4 pictures. You have to cut each of these pictures. So you'll have 4 of them. And then you have this sheet here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this part of the sheet, you're going to stick it in your literacy notebook. Yes. And then stick these pictures here in the correct order, in the correct sequence. Yes, you got what I said? You take a printout of this complete sheet, or you can copy this complete sheet in an A4 sheet, and then you're going to cut this part, the dotted part, which has the pictures, and cut each picture separately and stick this part, the left side of this sheet, in your literacy notebook. Yes, and then you have to stick each of these pictures here in the correct order. So what will come here in box number 1? So that will be the first line of the rhyme. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. So the cat holding the fiddle is the first part of the rhyme. Yes, so that comes at number 1. So you stick this picture here. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. Then we have the cow jumped over the moon. So the cow jumped over the moon comes at number 2. So you stick this picture here. Then what happened? The little dog laughed to see such fun. Yes, so at number 3, what happened? The little dog was laughing to see such fun. So you stick this picture of the dog here. And then what happened at the end? And the dish ran away with the spoon. That was the last part of the poem. Yes, so the 4th part of the poem, you can stick the picture of the dish and spoon here. Yes, so this way you will have arranged the pictures in the correct sequence as per the rhyme, as per the poem. Yes, so children, you can complete this homework sheet and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning.